To my friends, everywhere I go, you stand with me like this guy on the DJ deck over here. He flew here when I wasn't here. Shout out to my Melbourne people. They had to travel all the way. I love you guys so much, and from the bottom of my heart, I'm happy to be with you in Nairobi today. I wish you guys a happy new year, and I hope every year will be a successful, fun-filled, and a very peaceful year for you. In all aspects, music is a tool, it's a feeling, it's an emotion, and it's something that can move you without thinking. When we started to sing in our mother tongue, we really didn't see the vision of where we were going or why we were doing it. But when you are far away and then you look inwards, you want to preserve your language. Tungdun achiko arey. Kaya kuwi kumucho, bibig develop apin, kuben bil kop develop bil develop pin. Kaya kuben waya